Hey guys, what's up? It's me, James from designinglife.biz. And a while ago, I made a video about getting from the airport in Berlin to Central Station. And this is the follow-up to this video. So if you want to watch the first video, how to get to Central Station from Berlin Airport, check it out here. I'll put a card here so you can check it out. Okay, so I'm at Central Station now, but I wanted to tell you guys, if you are here at Central Station and you grab the FEX train or even the S9 train, but let's start with the FEX. So if you caught the FEX train from the airport to Central Station, you're going to wind up here and you're going to get dropped off at the last or the most underground platform in the station. So if you want to from here get to your specific destination, there's a couple things you can do. But first, I should probably mention that this video is sponsored by me because I have to be my own sugar daddy. I have to provide my own money. I have to make it work. So this video is quote unquote sponsored by me. If you don't already know, if you haven't followed me before, my name is James. I run a travel blog, specifically a gay travel blog called Designing Life. You can find the link in the description below. But more importantly, I create gay travel guides. So I do have one for Berlin, and it is for the gay traveler, for the gay male traveler looking for all of the gay bars, all of the descriptions, all of the detailed information that you need when you travel. So in other words, if you're looking for all the parties, it's going to have ratings, descriptions, and even descriptions of the dark rooms that you want to know before you go. So check it out. It is the Gay Berlin Travel Guide by Designing Life. The link is in the description below. You can find it there. So I hope you enjoy it. If you do, check it out. But okay, let's continue with this video. So option number one is to find the DB information booths inside Berlin Central Station. On both sides of the station, before the entrance, this is located on ground level, there are these DB information booths. If you head here and ask them how to get to your specific hotel or Airbnb, etc., they will print out a step-by-step guide from Central Station to where you need to go. And they're very friendly, so it's great. It's a great option. But if you're like me and you want to do it yourself using the S-Bahn or U-Bahn, here is option number 2. And that's finding where the S-Bahn train is located within Central Station. The S-Bahn or the U-Bahn, which is their city train system or metro system, if you will, is connected to Central Station, and it's inside Central Station, so there's no need to leave the station at all. Remember that the FEX train ticket that you purchased at the airport is good for all trains and trams in the city for up to 2 hours, so there's no need to buy a new one. The S-Bahn is located on the top floor, the furthest platform, platform 16 and 15. The sign will say 11 to 16, but just follow the arrows. Once you arrive, ensure you know which direction you're going. As a side note, the S3, the S5, the S7, and the S9 all connect here. And they all travel through the middle of the city, so it's pretty easy to connect to other lines, depending on where you need to go, of course. Check the Berlin train system map to see which station is closest to your destination, and that should be where you get off. So I really want to thank today's sponsor, aka me. Because the Gay Berlin Travel Guide, I wrote it for the gay traveler like myself. I go to Berlin a lot because I love Berlin. And I realized that people, not just me, but people want this type of information. So I basically have firsthand experience on this amazing city. And I think that you will enjoy, not just enjoy the guide, but you will find it extremely, extremely useful. So go ahead and grab it. It is in the description below. It's there's a link to my Stan store there. So if you do grab it, please send me a DM on Instagram or on TikTok and let me know if you loved it, or if you didn't love it, let me know what you think I should add. Okay, so now I bet you're wondering, okay, this is a gay channel. Where's all the gay information? So if you want to start your gay information YouTube video on my channel, check out this next video here. I think you'll like it.